So let us start with the lecture. Before discussing the new numericals, I just want to share the answer. In fact, I would just want to ask you the answers to the last two numericals. Uh, One instruction I just want to communicate, students, the Google Meet ID is same for all the lectures. So whenever you uh, like are not able to get the ID, or if I am not able to share you on time, you can join the lecture on same ID. That Meet ID is same for all the lectures, so you can join at regular class on time with the same ID. Another point is, as we got the instruction from the uh, higher ups regarding the offline practical. So on Thursday, the practical schedule is from 12:30 to 3:30. So it means there are no classes supposed to be conducted, uh, online classes supposed to be conducted from 12:30 to 3:30. So there are only on offline classes, that is practical, which will be conducted from 12:30 to 3:30. So I am planning to conduct two experiments, Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem, on same day. On same day, I'll be taking two experiments, Thevenin's and Norton's, if possible. That completely depends on the reporting of the students as well the time management, because we have to perform two experiments. Saksham, it is not compulsory from the management side, even from the department side. It completely depends on you whether you want to come for the offline practical conduction or not. Yes, there is a condition. The condition is like if you have done with two doses of the vaccination, and if your parents are willing to send you, then you are free to come. Yes, those who have taken one dose, I suggest you not to come to the college. But please take one decision whether those who have taken two doses, they really want to come or not. But I suggest you, if you are done with two doses and if your parents are willing to send you, and if you are comfortable, like if you don't have any cough, cold, and fever, please take care. Don't come. If you have that, please don't come. But if you don't have, then do come to complete the at least two experiments in offline mode. And if you have cough, cold, please take care of yourself and be there at your home. Okay. So let us complete the task of Thursday first. Then we will think of how to take the Thevenin's and Norton's theorem for the other students who are not from Nagpur, who have not completed two doses of the vaccination, or whose parents are not willing to send you to the college. Like if you are from outside but still just nearby the Nagpur, and if you want to come to the college, do come. Okay, do come. It is not compulsory. You must come. ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, I am saying you can come if you are willing, if your parents are ready, if you have completed two doses, you come, you can come, there is no issue. Okay, but we can perform the experiment. And जिनके practicals नहीं होते हैं, या those who have not able to report to the college on 28th, will see like how to complete their practicals. Okay, so rest, don't worry about it, but you'll get the chance definitely. And everyone, like all 54 and direct second year students, has rights to complete the practical, has rights to attend the practicals as well as theory lectures. Okay, fine. So let us start with the lecture. I think that's all for today's instruction. But somewhere engineer has to like start with offline Otherwise, it will be difficult for an engineer to become a good engineer. Okay. So, can anyone share me the answer to these two questions? Anyone? Because the values which I have considered for this particular numerical is abrupt values. Abrupt यानी यहाँ से मैंने just on time lecture discussion के वक्त values ली थी, so therefore I don't have the solution to this particular numerical. Even I don't have the answers also. So if you have any answer to this particular numerical, just share it with me so that we can copy down here for rest of the students. So what is the value for I1? Share it fast so that we can start with the next set of numericals which I have decided. Hopefully I am audible and my slides are visible to all. So Ayush Gawande, okay, Bhairav got 25 by 11. Can you tell me what is 25 by 11? 11 2s are 22, remainder 3, 30, 11 2s are 22.
3.18.
3.18. 3.18, okay. 3.18 ampere.
I2 is equals to 0.90.
0.90, okay. इसके अलावा और कोई आंसर मिला है किसी को?
So same answer.
Same answer. Teresa got same answer. Fine. So let us log this. Okay. So let us log this answer. Like still, if you find that answer is not correct, if you want to comment, you can. You are free to comment on these answers. Huh? Fine. Then for next this next sixth numerical, can you share the answers? What is the answer for I1?
4.43.
4.43 ampere. Okay. I2. I2.
2.15.
2.15 ampere. Okay. I3.
1.25.
1.25. All the answers are with positive sign. There is no negative sign involved. Are you getting all I1, I2, I3 answers as positive? There is no negative. Okay, I'm not getting any response, but still, I just consider these answers are correct. Okay, any other student, like any other answer a student got for this particular numerical? Any other answer? All of you got the same answers? Please check. If not, kindly complete the numerical as soon as possible. Now, I just want to take fundamentals like next numerical, but before start with the next numerical, I just want to ask, yes.
Sir,
yes,
please show previous slide.
Previous slide. Yes.
Done, sir.
Done. Fine. So let us discuss the next numerical. Okay. Let us begin. Numerical number 7. Now, okay. Before going with this 7th numerical, I just want to ask you, can you tell me how this voltage source circuit or voltage source is represented in circuit form or in symbol form? Anyone? voltage source, practical voltage source. How this practical voltage source is represented? Fast, fast, fast. What is voltage source? Okay,
Plus
match the
minus.
plus minus. Okay, match the pair. Just name these circuits. Name these circuits or circuit symbols. This is first.
Practical voltage source.
Which one? The first one.
First one, practical voltage source.
Okay. Second.
Practical current source.
Okay. Third.
Ideal
Voltage.
voltage source.
Okay. Next.
Ideal current source.
Fine. Now, please check this. Okay. Now, when we are saying first one is voltage source, so I just say this is voltage, its internal resistance, then current, its internal resistance, voltage, ideal voltage source. So therefore, its internal resistance R is equal to. Can anyone comment on it?
0.
0. Very good. Then its current source, that to ideal, therefore current is present. What about resistance?
Infinity.
Very good. So please see this. Direct second year students, please see this. Even the students, those who have missed the classes, kindly see this. This is particular circuit symbols for practical voltage source and practical, that is practical, ideal and practical voltage source and current sources. Okay. Now, 48 students have joined. Just ask others to join fast. Just ask others to join fast. Fine. Now, students, please check this circuit symbol very carefully. First one is practical voltage source, and third one is ideal voltage source. Just wait a minute. I am making one more circuit. Okay. Just wait a minute. I am making one more circuit. Just wait for a second. Can you identify the dummy element in figure number 7? This is my figure number 7. Can you identify the dummy element which is present here? So this is R1, R2, R3, R4. And there is open circuit here. So can you identify dummy element which is present here?
R4.
R4.
Okay, so R4 is dummy element. Why R4 is dummy element?
Circuit is open.
Circuit is open. So therefore it is a dummy element. Now, same way, if I say this is a voltage resistance, current resistance, can you identify the dummy element in figure 5 and figure 6? How we represent practical voltage source? Practical voltage source where internal resistance to be connected in series. Practical current source where internal resistance to be connected in shunt. So this is called as a voltage source. This is called as internal resistance. This is called as current source. This is called as internal resistance. अभी जो ज्वाइन हुए हैं उनके लिए मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. I am just making 7 different figures where I am getting practical and ideal. I am representing practical and ideal voltage source and current sources with a circuit symbol. So figure 1, practical voltage source where its internal resistance is connected in series. Figure 2 is practical current source where internal resistance is connected in parallel. Now figure 5 and figure 6 where the resistances are present but are not like a practical voltage and practical current source, but you can check the ideal voltage and ideal current source. So can you name this circuit symbol and can you identify the dummy element which is present here?
Resistances.
Yes, very good. These two resistances are dummy resistances. Why dummy resistances? The reason is very simple. Practical voltage source, its internal resistance to be represented in series. Practical current source, its internal resistance to be connected in or shown in parallel. So therefore, the resistance which is shown here is not its internal resistance, it's a dummy element. And what we do with the dummy element? What we do with the dummy element? We generally neglected that dummy element. Like in figure 7, R4 is a dummy element and we neglect that R4 from the circuit. So therefore, if you ask me, this particular figure 5 is ideal voltage source because that resistance has no value. That resistance has no value. Okay, here in case of this figure 6, this is ideal current source. P means practical voltage source. I means ideal voltage source. This is ideal current source. This is practical current source. So in ideal voltage source, like if the resistance is connected in parallel with the source voltage, then that resistance is referred as dummy element and the voltage source becomes a ideal voltage source. Same way with the ideal current source. Hopefully you all are clear with this concept. Now I just keep this particular figures here only. If you want to take a screenshot of it or if you want to write it down, please write down. Please copy down fast. This is, don't write this number. I wanted to take a numerical. So you can see it's just a revision and introduction to few concepts. The concepts you have to remember. See, other than these concepts, like there are no other concepts which you have to remember. यानी आप कहोगे कि सब बाप रे कितने concepts हम लोगों को add up करने हैं network analysis के लिए. No, you don't need to add up. You just have to use those basic concepts for the application purpose. Okay, so here I just named this as basic concepts, fundamental concepts. All of you done with this, or do I need to wait for some more minute? Shall I continue? Shall I take next point? Another basic concept I just want to share. Okay, I'm not getting any response from your side. It means you have already completed with this. Okay. Now, I just want to ask you, in ideal voltage source, what is the value of resistance? Okay, let us start with
0.
okay. For ideal voltage source, internal resistance is 0. Ideal current sources resistance has
Infinity.
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 Fine, fine, fine. Now, when you say resistance is equal to 0, it means it's an open circuit or short circuit. And when you say resistance is equal to infinity, it's an open circuit or short circuit.
First is short circuit and second is open circuit.
First is short circuit and second is open circuit. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So first is short circuit and second is open circuit. Okay. Now, for DC, what is the value of frequency?
50 hertz.
For DC, okay. मुझे लगा ही थोड़ा सा
For AC. It's for AC.
for AC frequency is equal to 50 hertz. Okay, so it is correctly said. It is 50 hertz. And for DC, quick. For DC,
No frequency is there.
there is no frequency. So shall I write frequency is equal to 0 hertz?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, can you tell me the equation for inductive reactance? It's a XL is indicating inductive reactance. I think all of you know this particular terminology, inductive reactance. What is the equation for inductive reactance?
2 pi FL.
Very good. 2 pi FL. Perfect. Okay. Now, if frequency is 0 for a DC, if I put this particular value of frequency 0 in this equation, what I get?
0.
Zero.
Whole 0.
0.
0. What is the unit for XL?
Hmm?
What is the unit for XL?
Ohm.
Ohms. Very good. Now, another term XC. What is this? XC stands for? Come on, guys, fast. And everyone should participate so that you can start getting interest in it. If parents are listening to my lecture, I just request parents to insist their wife to give answers or responses so that I can understand students are attending the classes. Okay, so what is XC stands for? Fast.
1 upon 2 pi FC.
1 upon 2 pi.
FC. Perfect. If I put a frequency equal to 0 here,
Infinity.
Infinity.
unit is ohms. Okay. Now, under which condition? Like if the unit is ohms, this is nothing but like a resistance. At which condition that resistance is 0 ohms? What is that condition? Well, when the resistance becomes 0 ohm? For
Ideal voltage
Ideal
source.
voltage source.
but for when that resistance is
Short circuit.
short circuit. Okay, when resistance is infinite?
Open circuit.
Open circuit.
For open
Open
circuit.
circuit.
So it means for open circuit. इसका मतलब क्या हो? Can you tell me? It means
Current does
that
not pass through it.
yes, current doesn't pass through it. So if I draw inductor here, and if the inductor is connected with a DC supply, what will happen with that inductor? What will happen with that inductor? Come on, guys.
Short circuited.
में आपने DC supply दिया, inductor get short circuited. If you apply DC supply to the inductor, the inductor acts as a short circuit. Okay. What about capacitor? If I have a capacitor and capacitor is connected with the DC supply. For capacitor, what will happen with the capacitor?
It will charge.
It will charge. मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. Will it charge? देखो. आपने तो कंसेप्ट बताया. DC सप्लाई में फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना होता है?
0.
0 hertz.
0.
If DC में frequency is 0 hertz, XL becomes 0 ohms. It means that XL acts as a short circuit. XC becomes infinite. It means that XC acts as open circuit. So Xc acts as open circuit means what happens with the capacitor?
It will act as open circuit.
It
Open
will
circuit,
act as open circuit. Perfect. So I just make a 2 lines here. That's all. This is open circuit. Are you getting my point? Is this concept clear to all? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Yes. Now let us check. I just take one numerical here. अगर आपके पास it's a big circuit, ठीक है. Anyways, I have to take this particular numerical. Fine. So I'll just make this. यहाँ पर मैं इसको बनाता हूँ. Okay. This is 8th numerical which I am going to take. So I'll just make it here. ये numerical ध्यान से देखें because this particular numerical is very very important where you all will get both the concepts which we discussed just now get clear. यानी आपके सारे concepts यहाँ पर आके clear होंगे. So just be with me. Keep patience. Okay, I just write down the values for this. This is 5 ohms, okay. 2 ampere, 50 ohms, 200 ohms, 20 volt. I think all of you can see this particular slide. Then 1 farad. This is 100 ohms. This one is 0.5 Henry and current source of 1 ampere. And here you have to find out the value of current. The current which is passing through 100 ohms. This current is questioned. This particular numerical was asked in summer 19 for 7 marks. See, we don't know whether you are going to appear for online or offline mode, but let us complete the fundamentals. Huh? Let us understand the fundamentals. Yes, guys, tell me. You have this particular numerical. You have to find out the value of current I. Now, I am asking about your fundamentals. Just now we have talked about the fundamentals. मैं फिर से एक बार आपको repeat कर देता हूँ fundamentals. पहला fundamental हम लोगों ने देखा कि what is mean by ideal voltage source and practical voltage source, ideal current source and practical current source. So here I just want to comment, when the resistance is connected in parallel with voltage source and in series with current source, that resistance is referred as a dummy element, and therefore the source is referred as ideal voltage source and ideal current source. In practice, the practical voltage source to be represented as internal resistance in series and for voltage source and internal resistance in parallel for practical current source. Okay, that is in practice. So if resistance is connected in parallel for voltage and in series with current source, then that resistance is a dummy element and the source becomes ideal voltage source, ideal current source. इतना आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Okay. Second concept which I had told you, for DC supply, frequency is 50 hertz. For DC supply, frequency is 0 hertz. For DC supply, it is 0 hertz, right? So when we put frequency 0 for inductive reactance, it becomes 0 ohms. That indicates the circuit is a short circuit, or that particular path is a short circuit. And capacitive reactance offers infinite resistance, therefore it acts as open circuit. In short, whenever inductor get connected with a DC supply, whenever an inductor get connected with a DC supply, when inductor get connected with a DC supply, that inductor acts as a short circuit. That inductor acts as a short circuit. Just see, here you have short circuit, match the pair. Okay. Then same way, when capacitor is connected with the DC supply, when capacitor get connected with DC supply, that acts as open circuit. That acts as open circuit. Here you can see. Here it acts as open circuit. Okay. So these are the concepts related to the circuit. Now I am asking to find the current value for this particular given circuit. Use both the fundamentals which we discussed. Is there any inductor and capacitor present in the network? Come on guys, fast.
Yes.
Shreya.
Yes.
Yes. I am getting response from Diksha. I am asking Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shreya. Is there any inductor and capacitor present in the network?
Yes, sir. 0.5 Henry is
Inductor and 1 farad is capacitor. Okay, so when it is connected with a DC supply, maybe of 20 volt, 2 ampere or 1 ampere, what we have to do with capacitor and inductor? Yes, what we have to do with capacitor and inductor? Inductor must be
short circuit,
very good, and capacitor must be
open circuit.
very good. So inductor must be short circuit and capacitor must be open circuit. Now redraw this network. Redraw this network. Again, I just prefer to have yellow line. Okay. Now, what about this 5 ohm resistor? It is shown in series with 2 ampere.
Neglect.
Let us apply
सभी
all
elements.
both the fundamentals in same step. एक ही स्टेप पे हम लोग वो दोनों फंडामेंटल अप्लाई कर देते हैं. What about 5 ohm resistor?
Dummy.
Anyone? Anyone? Yes, Chaudhary. Can you answer? Can you comment? Can you respond? Yes, Chaudhary. Yes, Chaudhary. Yes, Chaudhary. Okay. Mansi Kakade.
Yes, sir.
Mansi Kakade.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us hear it from Teresa. Teresa. Nitin, am I audible or?
Audible,
Nitin?
sir, audible. Audible, sir.
Nitin.
You are audible, sir, clearly.
Nitin. Nitin, am I audible? Okay, Diksha. Diksha.
Yes, sir.
Not a single student present in the class. Diksha. I'm not able to.
Are you
hear
audible?
you. Mic is connected. There is no issue with this. Can anyone speak again?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Okay. Just a second. मैंने कोई सेटिंग तो चेंज नहीं किया है, बट स्टिल आई जस्ट इंक्रीज माय वॉइस. Okay, Nitin, can you speak now?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Am
Nitin.
I audible? Audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. हेलो ना बट
हाँ.
एक्चुअली ऑडिबल, चलो ठीक है, आप लोग ऑडिबल नहीं थे, लेकिन आपका जो माइक है वो माइक से कुछ तो एक सिग्नल आना चाहिए ना, वो सिग्नल भी नहीं आ रहा था मुझे। आप जैसे मैं देख रहा हूँ, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू सी योर सिग्नल्स ऑल्सो। फाइन, नो इशू। सो लेट अस टॉक अगेन। मानसी, मानसी, कैन यू
Yes,
स्पीक
sir.
नाउ? Okay, now
Yes,
you
sir.
are audible, Mansi. है ना? चलो, very good. Okay, Mansi, now please tell me, like, what happens with the 5 ohm resistance?
Dummy element.
It's a dummy element. Very good. So अगर ये dummy है तो इसका मतलब इसको हम लोग हटा सकते हैं. So let us
Yes,
make a
sir.
current source only. So this is our current source. उसके बाद anything to do with this 50 ohms, or we have to keep
No.
this 50 ohms? No. So it means keep this 50 ohms as it is in the network. But the dummy element is neglected or it is removed. Okay. Then we have lower voltage source because its resistance is series connected. Yani 200 ohms is a internal resistance for that. Okay. Then on right hand side, 1 farad to be open circuited. अगर इसको आप open circuit करते हो, it means just show that open circuit here, and with a 100 ohm resistance or resistor connected alone. Okay, then lower part. Okay, मैं इसी चीज को कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. Good. Fine. So here you have a current source, and you have to put a short circuit for inductor. So put a short circuit for inductor. Complete the network. Let us write down the values. So this is your 2 ampere. Now I just keep its unit. मैं सिर्फ values यहाँ पर mention करता हूँ. Okay, this is open circuit. तो यहाँ I just mention open circuit. 100 ohms. यहाँ पर मैं mention करता हूँ 1 with short circuit. This must be short circuit. Okay. Now as soon as you put a short circuit across 1 ampere, क्या होगा? As soon as you put a short circuit across 1 ampere, क्या होगा?
Current will
When
not
you put
go
a
to
short
100.
Yes, this current will follow only and only the path of this short circuit. यानी यहाँ पर वो घूमते रहेगा. That will not follow any other path for the of the circuit. That will not follow any other path of the circuit. Okay. So therefore, what you have to do, you have to remove that current source from the circuit. So remove this current source. Remove. ठीक है. Now all of you please do one thing. अब मैं आपको क्या बताता हूँ. Write down this diagram and mention summer 1907 marks. Question: find I. Please draw this figure. Write down here. Find I. अब यहां पर मैं आप लोगों को कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देता हूं. Write down those instructions here. After making this particular diagram, all of you are instructed to write down the instructions now. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first instruction, यहाँ पर आपको पहला instruction लिखना है. Please write down. For DC source, inductor acts as a short circuit. For DC source, inductor acts as a short circuit. And capacitor acts as open circuit. Capacitor acts as open circuit. Second point, 5 ohm resistor is a dummy element, dummy, D-U-M-M-Y, dummy element, as it is connected in series with a current source of 2 ampere, as it is connected in series with a current source of 2 ampere. I think all of you done with these 2 points. Now, third point. Now, for third point, all of you are instructed to draw this figure. Draw this secant figure. So I think all of you done with first and second point and understood. Now write down third point. But before third point, draw this figure. Draw this figure. Okay. Shall I dictate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So third point is short circuited terminals of 1 ampere current source. Short circuited terminals of 1 ampere current source comma short circuits the current source. Short circuits the current source. Short circuits the current source. And therefore neglect it from the circuit. And therefore neglect it from the circuit. Okay, on next line. Fourth point. Convert 2 ampere 50 ohms current source. Convert 2 ampere 50 ohms current source into voltage source. And redraw the circuit.
Sir, please
And
repeat.
convert 2 ampere 50 ohm current source. Convert 2 ampere 50 ohm current source into voltage source. And redraw the circuit. And redraw the circuit. Okay, so can anyone tell me the circuit? Next circuit. See, the resistance which is shown parallel to current source get in series with the voltage source. So therefore it is 50 ohms. Then you get positive upward because the arrow is indicating upward. Direct second year students, please refer this. As arrow is going upward in current source, therefore positive to be represented upward. So can anyone tell me the value of voltage?
100
Yes.
volts.
सर फिफ्थ वाला कन्वर्ट 2 एम्पियर टू वोल्टेज सोर्स है ना?
फोर्थ वाला हो जाएगा, हाँ फिफ्थ वाला हो जाएगा, नहीं फोर्थ वाला ही होगा ना। फर्स्ट आपका कमेंट आया डीसी सोर्स इंडक्टर शॉर्ट सर्किटेड, कैपेसिटर ओपन सर्किटेड। सेकेंड पॉइंट आया आपका 5 ohm is a dummy element as it is connected in series with the current source of 2 ampere. थर्ड पॉइंट आया आपका शॉर्ट सर्किट टर्मिनल ऑफ 1 ampere current source get shorted, and फोर्थ वाला convert 2 ampere 50 ohm current source into voltage source. नंबरिंग मैटर नहीं करता, नंबर आपका अगर एक ज्यादा बढ़ गया तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। रीड्रॉ द
फिफ्थ
सर्किट,
वाला कन्वर्ट 2 एम्पियर टू वोल्टेज सोर्स एंड रीड्रॉ द सर्किट, वो वाला।
चलो ठीक है ना, दिस इज योर फिफ्थ पॉइंट, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ओके, एनी अदर डाउट? Any other doubt? Okay,
No,
now
sir.
please tell me
No,
fast. Okay, fast tell me the value of voltage.
100 volt.
100 volt आया. Why? Because V is equal to I into R. Current is 2 ampere. So current is 2 ampere and voltage resistance is 50 ohms. So therefore it is equal to 100 volts. Now
200 ohm.
220 volts. So 200 ohms and 20 volts. So I just mentioned here its unit and 20 volt. How this 20 volt connected? Positive upward and negative downward. Positive upward and negative downward. So 20 volt यहाँ पर आ गया. Then on right hand side what we get? We get I think only and only current, only and only resistance of 100 ohms. And then you find a single branch of short circuit as that current source gets shorted. Okay, now here you have to find out the value of current passing through 100 ohms. Okay, can anyone tell me the value of this current? Here you get single 148. Final answer बता रहे हो? Okay,
0.48.
0.48 you are getting. I got 343. Chalo, let us check this. Can anyone form the circuit equation? Can anyone tell me the equation? Like how to form the equation for this? By considering a loop. यहाँ पर आपको एक loop consider करना होगा. ये loop current अगर है, this is if my loop current. So negative to positive के लिए that loop current gives me plus 20 volt voltage. That enters into this particular side and leaves this another side. So therefore minus 200 into I. Enters negative, leaves positive in the voltage source. Therefore again it is plus 100. Then enters through positive, leaves through negative. So negative 50 into I. Enters positive, leaves through negative. So minus 100 into I.
The final answer 0.34 है.
That's what. Sorry. So I am getting minus, plus 343 ampere. So 20 plus 100 gives me 120. Keep it on left hand side is equal to 250, 300. So it is 350. And therefore I is equal to, implies I is equal to 120 upon 350. 120 upon 350. And this gives me, I think, 0.343 ampere. Is it clear to all? Hopefully you all are clear with the concept of this. It's 12:20, so I think I should stop here. Those who want to write this, please. Just take 1 or 2 minutes to complete the task, or if you want, you can take a screenshot of it, but complete the class copy. I'll be taking one more lecture today at 3 o'clock. I'll take only for 45 minutes, but in that lecture, I'll discuss 2 more numericals related to the concept of this. And then I'll close with the mesh analysis. No, but I think in fact I have to take the AC mesh analysis also. So it means in this particular week we'll be discussing only AC mesh analysis on like after completing DC and then AC. So mesh analysis only. So we cannot start with nodal analysis at least for this particular week, because it is quite difficult as we have to complete the concept of understanding the DC and AC both for mesh analysis, application of mesh analysis to DC and AC both. Okay, so I think all of you are done with the writing work. Now start putting the attendance. You have to follow the serial so that I can mark your attendance. Roll number 1 to 10. (11 to 20). (21 to 30). (31 to 40). Saksham, Samay, I have not asked for 41, 42. If you are marking, it means you are marking absent. You'll be marked as absent. Huh? Please don't do so. You have to wait for the instruction. 50, Sujit, I am not going to mark your attendance if you are putting in between. Okay. Now roll number 41 to 50. 41 to 50, everyone has to mark again. (41 to 50). Only 41 to 50. Rest, please wait. Okay, 51 to 60. 51 to 60. (51 to 60). Only 52, 53 is present. What about diploma students? What about diploma students? Direct second year students, are you there? Yes, Suraj, Sagar, 57, 58. Okay, any other from DSY? Only 2 students are present. Fine, no issue. Okay, guys, so thank you very much. We'll meet at 3 o'clock today. 62 and 64. Snehal and Monishka.
Sir, 65 also present.
Then 62. 65. Fine, guys, you can leave. Thank you so much.